Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to update the iPhone to iOS 16. Let's get started. Alright, now we're going to go over how to install iOS 16 on your iPhone, but there are a few things you do need to set up first to ensure that the iOS 16 update runs smoothly and you don't have any trouble. First off, check that you are connected to your Wi-Fi network, and you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi network is as fast as possible and consistent as possible. That way you don't lose your connection during the update. Secondly, you can see my battery percentage there. You want to have at least 50% or more. Better yet, just plug it up to your charger, whether it's a lightning charger or a wireless charger. Next, you want to make sure you have enough space on your iPhone. So open your settings, tap on General, tap iPhone Storage. It'll load how much storage you have left on your iPhone. You can see right here on screen how much space iOS 16 is going to take up. So you're going to need to free up at least that much space. I'd suggest at least a little bit more. But once you have everything set up here, you want to back up your data. Most likely nothing will happen, but just for your own peace of mind, I recommend backing up everything on your phone first and then running the update. Last thing you want to do is make sure your iPhone is supported. There's a link in the description that'll show you all the different iPhones that support iOS 16 and the ones that don't. Now, once you have everything set up, you then want to open your settings application on your iPhone. Want to scroll down to where you see General and then tap on Software Update. It'll start checking for the update. It should pop up like this. And you can see that iOS 15.7 is at the top first, but you can actually go right here and upgrade to iOS 16. And it's going to give you the information about iOS 16 here. You can tap Learn More or tap Download and Install. Put in your password, scroll down and tap Agree again. Now, it's going to prompt me here because I am using my cellular data. It's just a little bit faster for me. But if you're using Wi-Fi, then you should be fine. So I'm going to tap continue here. Now, during this update, you're going to see the estimates go up and down throughout. It's going to change to preparing the update. You can read through what iOS brings here. You can actually use your phone and do whatever you want while it's downloading. Just make sure you come back for the installation. But your best bet is to just let it do its thing. Don't unplug it from the charger. Don't turn the phone off or anything like that. And there it is. So now it is downloaded. So at this point, when you see that, you'll see Install Now appear at the bottom. All you have to do is tap on that. It's going to verify the update. Okay, and the phone just shut itself down. Just let it do its thing. During this installation process, you'll notice that the phone will shut down maybe once, twice, multiple times. At this point, though, you don't want to unplug it from the charger. You don't want to power it off or anything like that. Just be patient and let it do its thing. You'll see hello when your iPhone has updated. Enter in your passcode once again. You'll see software update complete. Tap continue. And then you'll see other options here. So you're going to share with Apple or don't share. I never share. And then you're just going to swipe up and you're back on your iPhone. Everything should be there. You can open your settings application again and then tap on general. Then tap software update here. It should be up to date automatically. You can see here iOS 16.0. For whatever reason, my brightness is way down. But you can see it's there. So that's how you install and update iOS 16 on your iPhone. If you do have any questions or run into any trouble, feel free to ask in the comments. I'm happy to help you out. And as always, if you're looking for more great iPhone tips, tricks, and tutorial videos, there's a link in the description to the full playlist so you can learn how to use your iPhone to the best of its capabilities. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.